Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Jai.Lashay, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Welcome back to Vlogtober Day 19. Your girl, as promised, told y'all yesterday that y'all would be getting an Airbnb tour. So let's go ahead and tour this Airbnb. I'm actually sitting outside right now, so y'all might hear some little birds or some chirping, girl. The birds are chirping. No, but y'all might hear a little bird or two. Yeah. Because I'm sitting outside making sure y'all can freaking hear me. It's music playing and stuff and people talking in the house. So I'm just sitting in the backyard enjoying a little breeze, looking like a baby. You know, there can only be me. Yeah, what that girl say? It can only be me. Yeah, okay, we in the house. Anyways, this is the living room. I was really trying to stall time. I'm real funny. But this is the living room. Let me cut them lights on so y'all can see how pretty they are. Every room has a different chandelier. Ain't that gorgeous? I mean, y'all seen them for a little split second, but y'all seen it. And they got them in every room. They are so nice. They all got like remotes that's on the walls that you can turn on the fan, like the ceiling fan. Or you can like change the light settings and stuff. I said, dang, you ain't got to call your kids in the room to tell them come cut the light off because you already got the remote in the bed with you. Boy, they living in 2028. We ain't did that yet now. Well, I ain't did it yet. Dining room area. Love the table. There go another one. Is also a fan. Alright, clear up. This is the kitchen. Real nice. Real nice. Then here's bedroom number 2. And I love that all their rooms have these accent walls. Because ain't this cute? I'm finna show it to y'all. Ain't that cute? That is so nice. I bet that took a little time, too. That room also has one, the blue. That's bedroom number 3. This is the first bathroom. The one that's upstairs. It's real nice. That's a nice chandelier up in there, too. A light fixture, whatever, but it's real nice. Jetted tub. I love how they decorated this Airbnb, the color scheme, the choice in furniture and plants and everything. It just looked real nice. And then we go downstairs to the pent floor. No, pent floor is usually up, but this one down. So we going downstairs to that. They got like a little washer dryer area, a little basement. This is bathroom number 2. This one I was obsessed with. The tub is huge. It's also jetted. Look at the mirror. Obsessed. Gotta have one of those. That is nice. I'm like, girl, I need one of these for at home. The makeup videos will be lit as hell. So that's the tub. And then that's the tub. And then that's the futon area. It also has a projector on the wall over there. This is bedroom number 4. And then this is me and Babe's room. Bedroom number 5. So yeah, you know, nice little fireplace while he get to hit them. Never mind. Keep it PG on the thing. But now this is a real nice room as well. So yeah, that's our room. Now we're gonna head on back out. And like I said, that's the washer dryer area, little game, couch. It's a projector on the wall. I don't think I showed it to y'all because I didn't find out about it until after the fact. Little Pac-Man. This is just a little dark room. It's a treadmill and a ball in there, though. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the Airbnb tour. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogtober Day 20. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.